There's nothing like the delight of finding useful Amazon products that provide solutions to annoyances in your day-to-day life. It's that elusive thing you've been looking for. The organizing solution that wrangles a nest of tangled cords, the smart outlet that turns off the lights, or the gadget that solves the problem you didn't even know you had. All the links to the products are in the description below. Imarken Japanese Chef Knife. It is manufactured from high-quality stainless steel that maintains its functionality for a long time. And to boost its sturdiness, the steel contains 0.6 to 0.75 carbon. This makes it 2 times as hard as other knives in its class, as they contain about 0.3% carbon. The Judo knife is classified and designed to be a multi-purpose knife for professional applications. To make it more professional and minimize any fatigue, finger numbness, or aches after holding it continuously for an extended time, the knife's handle is made from Paka. This is material that originates from Africa, and it's known for its comfort, strength, and stability. Sharpness is key to achieving the best cuts, and this is evident in the knife's blade, which is quite sharp and will remain this way even after tough tasks such as cutting tough meat or removing flesh from bones. The sharpness is further boosted by use of the latest Japanese engineering. Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet. Be ready to survive without stuffing your backpack. Find the 5 camping gear must-haves in just one bracelet. Don't stress about getting the size right. Unlike other options, the Cobra bracelet is adjustable to fit small and big wrists. Did you know that cold is the #1 cause of death? Beat the statistics. In an emergency, use the flint steel to start a fire and secure a shelter using the paracord to fight hypothermia. Add this survival bracelet tool to your hiking essentials, hunting gear, camping stuff, or fishing equipment. The Atomic Bear Cobra bracelet is ideal for outdoor adventures. Zenith Smart Base Tool-Free Assembly Mattress Foundation. The Smart Base checks off a lot of boxes on a bed frame wish list. Frankly, we're not surprised that so many happy customers have traded in their 2-piece box spring and bed frame sets for this reinforced steel base. It's designed with a metal platform that you can rest your memory foam, latex, or spring mattress directly on top of for extended mattress life. It's also engineered with multiple support legs for maximum stability and squeak-free use. Plus, those legs have plastic caps at the ends to protect your floors from unnecessary scratches. With super simple, one-touch assembly that only requires your own 2 hands and a 5-year worry-free warranty included, this extraordinary foundation is what we call a win-win. Please make sure to smash that super thanks button if you enjoyed this video. Zenvo Pro Lens Kit for iPhone and Android. Capture all the intricacies and details with precision focus for razor-crisp macro photos every time. For best results, position macro lens approximately 1/2 inch from subject. Not designed for zooming in on distant subjects. The triggered lens clip offers superior gripping power to fasten your lenses to your cell phone when you're in action mode, framing your next perfect shot. The Glow Clip LED light clips anywhere on your phone to instantly illuminate your subject and surroundings with warm, continuous light. The warm and natural LED light is superior to your smartphone's built-in flash, which can be blinding and unnatural, especially in darker settings and venues. Low, medium, and high. Say goodbye to frustrating photo retakes and hello to brilliant photos the first time. Perfect for taking your Zenvo lenses with you on the fly. All-Ski Massage Gun. All-Ski Massage Gun can be effectively relieves your muscle soreness, stiff backs, and relax your full body. Cordless Massage Gun comes with 12 attachments. You can use percussion massage gun in different muscles group. Use them all for a full body massage. You can adjust the speed to provide the correct pressure according to your needs. This muscle massage gun is equipped with 3,000 mAh lithium-ion rechargeable batteries, delivering up to 200 percussion per minute, which can work up to 6 hours in full charge condition. Deep Tissue Massage Gun is with brushless motor and high-quality bearing, makes almost no noise, which makes sure you will not disturb others when you are using our massage gun in the office, gym, or wherever the day takes you. Handheld professional massager gun is portable enough to take with you to the gym, office, or on vacation. It is ideal for professional athletes and leisure sports. Renpho Eye Massager with Heat. Renpho's eye massager built-in heating pads provide a comfortable temperature between 104 and 107 degrees Fahrenheit 40 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Better for relaxing eye puffiness, dry eyes, etc. A hot compress can regulate the metabolism of the eyes, more effectively improve symptoms such as dry eyes, and reduce dark circles. Eye Machine adopts oscillating pressure and rhythmic percussion massaging. It can make the skin around the eyes more shiny and elastic. Eye Heating Massager with Bluetooth music can play a good sedative effect. Wear it for 15 minutes before going to bed every night. You will be totally relaxed and enjoy a better sweet dream. Cosporta Pro Limited Edition Rhythm Beige on-ear headphones. The acclaimed Cosporta Pro has set performance and comfort standards for personal listening worldwide. Designed for those with refined musical taste, the Porta Pro continues to be one of the most popular headphones around the world. Designed for extended comfort, the Porta Pro Limited Edition has adjustable temporal pads to relieve pressure on the ears. Its lightweight, open-air cushions for hear-through sound keep listeners aware of their surroundings while delivering exceptional sound. The oxygen-free copper voice coils and dynamic elements allow the Porta Pro Limited Edition to deliver rich bass and a remarkably wide frequency response. Taurus Coolify Portable Air Conditioner Neck Fan. The Coo Peltier radiator is the secret to this neck AC device. With the 0.9 by 0.9 inch ceramic semiconductor radiator, built-in, Coolify neck air conditioner only needs to cool the back of your neck to refresh your entire body in seconds. Heat energy is exchanged by a semiconductor cooling plate, and the coldness is transmitted to the skin within 3 seconds. Lower your body temperature by 18 degrees Fahrenheit in just 3 seconds. Coolify's 3D airflow design includes 36 air vents to provide an immersive cooling experience. The upward vents blow cool air towards your face, while the downward vents prevent long-term wear discomfort by cooling the skin of your neck. A health COVID-19 antigen rapid test. This product has not been FDA cleared or approved, but has been authorized by FDA under an EUA. This product has been authorized only for the detection of proteins from SARS-CoV-2, not for any other viruses or pathogens, and the emergency use of this product is only authorized for the duration of the declaration that circumstances exist justifying the authorization of emergency use of in vitro diagnostics for detection and/or diagnosis of COVID-19 under Section 564(1) of the Federal Food. Honeydew Scrumptious Side Sleeper Pillow. The original curved pillow for side sleepers, and the only one made in the USA and made by a family business. This is the only pillow that uses Certipur US certified copper infused memory foam for the best cooling pillow available. The innovative shoulder cutout and adjustable fill zipper make the scrumptious adjustable pillow the best pillow for neck pain. If you are looking for neck pillows for pain relief, adjustability is crucial for ensuring proper alignment and reducing pressure that causes neck and shoulder pain.